how to get roots on your chochas, chayote, Christophine, chuchu, whatever name you call it. I am going to show you the quickest way how to get roots on your chayote by just putting them in a jar with water or a cup with water, and you'll get nice healthy looking roots like what you see now. Chayote is a vegetable that is widely consumed throughout the world and is high in nutrients and antioxidant compounds that provide numerous health benefits. Here is a tip so you can grow your own and have it to eat, drink, and provide for your health. Once you see your chayote starts to sprout, this is the heart. This is the seed that comes from the chayote. Right in here is the split. So this is the back side. Before we can have vines like these, it needs rooting. So one of the quickest way is to put it in a jar, put it in a cup, and this one has just been in there for just a few days. It has a lot of roots protruding from the back side. The split, this is a split right here, and that's where you don't need to get a lot of water on there because it will rot the inside of the chocho, please. So that's the vine that is pushing out, and if you look, you might see a little tiny leaf there, a little tiny leaf coming from there. So yes, the easiest way to get roots on your chayote is by using a jar or a cup and put it in, and you get lots of roots. Put it in water like this one. I think this one might be easier to show you. This is a little honey jar that I have, and I've just sat this little chocho on top of it, and look how many roots. Look at the lot of roots there, see? And then look at the vine. You see, it's got a lot of vine running through there. Very, very effective by using water. And what you could do is make sure that the water is clean. Change the water at all times. Don't let the water smell or get stale, because this will rot the root as well. You want the root to stay really white and fresh. And then look, then you'll be able to have chochas like these growing. See the chochas. Look at the vine here, look at this one. Then you'll be able to put them in a container. So this one is in a container. Right. I've put a little bit of paper towel at the bottom so it stays clean. And you can just look, if you lift that up, you see a lot of roots there. So try not to overwater, because the water will rot them as well. So that's the quickest way to root your chayote, and then you can also transfer them from the jar to the pot with soil. This method will give you loads of chayotes on your trees next year.